Hey, it's Brian here and welcomes back to the Tech Port. In this video, I'm gonna introduce to you the best emergency survival tools and equipment you should have. Before we dive into the video, consider the click red subscribe button and press the bell icon for post notification. That will encourage us to create more awesome videos like this.
For those who respond when a life is on the line, Leatherman is proud to introduce the revolutionary Raptor medical shears for military and civilian emergency medical responders. The Raptor medical shears is a high-quality, state-of-the-art replacement for traditional disposable shears. And in true Leatherman fashion, it incorporates a number of other tools specifically for first responders.
It comes with a strap cutter. It also has a slot for opening the O2 tanks, and it has an innovative, easy-to-use ring cutter. It doesn't have to twist them. All you got to do is clip it and it cuts right through rings. And it also has a glass breaker on the handle.
The team at Leatherman worked closely with special operations medics, firefighters, and EMT personnel to find out what these professionals wanted in Leatherman-designed shears. With that feedback, the engineers designed a high-performance tool built to withstand the rigors of daily use.
When a medic is on site, the situation is already bad, so you don't want to make it worse by having a cheap shear that's going to fail and break when you use it. That's why Leatherman decided to make the Raptor, to give the quality of a product that's going to work every time for a lifetime of use.
It's got a lot of meat to it. It feels durable. I don't have any worries about it breaking or becoming dull. It worked through a lot of that. We put it through the testing out here.
I love going outdoors, staying connected with great Mother Nature, and staying connected with family and friends. I love sharing my adventures, but I've realized that it's really hard to get access to electricity to stay connected outdoors. The thing is, today's mobile devices use significantly less power than traditional consumer electronics. So one day, I came up with the idea, what if we could convert every energy resource into personal power? I want to introduce you to eStream. It's a portable water-powered generator. It converts any type of running water into stored energy. You can get personal on-demand power with nothing but water energy. This is how it works. Remove the cover. Unfold the turbines and lock them. Hook and release eStream into running water. Let it spin freely to generate electricity. And it charges the built-in battery. It takes approximately 4.5 hours to fully charge one eStream, which can charge up to 3 smartphones, GoPros, or tablet PCs 2 times faster than charging through an outlet. You can also use it as a lantern with 4 different modes, even underwater. eStream works well even in weak current or behind a kayak, and regardless of the weather or time of day. It fits perfectly into any size backpack. It's ideal for use while you enjoy camping, fishing, kayaking, biking, or any other outdoor activities. use and multifunctional. It can be taken anywhere. Knowing what this ultra-portable toolkit provides creates peace of mind. Remember, the MS5 is the easiest survival toolkit to carry, and one you'll never want to leave behind. The Motion Grade MS5 lets you blend in with nature and take advantage of all its beauty. It comes with a world-class water purifier. Explore the entire jungle without losing your sense of direction with the rugged military-style compass that efficiently puts you right on track. Survival requires the right set of tools and skills. With its easy fit blades, magnesium fire starter, folding grill, and flashlight, the MS5 has you covered. Precision and perfection are easily blended. Using premium materials, we have forged life-saving tools, creating a strong yet stylish product. We go above and beyond the contemporary to integrate more usefulness in every product. The MS5 has what you need to survive: a USB charger, SOS GPS tracker, a micro burner, fishing tackle, plus many more essentials.
The LightStraw Steel is an evolution on the LightStraw personal water filter. It features a lightweight, durable stainless steel body with advanced two-stage filtration. The first stage of filtration is the activated carbon, which filters 100 liters and is replaceable. This improves the taste of water while reducing chemicals and pesticides. The second stage of the filtration process is the encapsulated 0.2 micron hollow fiber membrane filter. This filters 1,000 liters, which is 264 gallons, and removes virtually all bacteria and protozoa from water, including Giardia, E. coli, Cryptosporidium, and Salmonella. Weighing only 4.4 ounces, the LightStraw Steel is perfect for travel, backpacking, or emergency preparedness. The LightStraw Steel contains no chemicals such as iodine and uses no batteries or moving parts. To use the LightStraw Steel, simply remove the caps and insert the filter into your water source. Wait 5 to 10 seconds as the water seeps into the filter, and then begin to draw water through the mouthpiece. You can either use a water bottle or drink straight from the source. The flow rate is quite high. It's like drinking through a thick straw. When you're finished drinking, simply blow the water out to backflush and clean the filter, and then put the caps back on.
Introducing Auto Escape by InGear, an innovative multifunction auto emergency tool that integrates a high-powered LED flashlight and 2 life-saving escape tools. Constructed with military-grade aerospace aluminum, Auto Escape is fully waterproof and impact-resistant. Press the button once for high beam, again for low beam, and a third time to enable SOS mode. On high, Auto Escape puts out 135 lumens covering up to 492 feet. No matter what mode you're in, simply hold down the button and the beam will immediately shut off. Auto Escape comes with a car mount for easy access in an emergency. Peel off the 3M tape that comes in the box. Press and hold to the desired location, applying pressure for approximately 1 minute. Once the mount is attached, Auto Escape is ready to go. Auto Escape has 2 built-in escape tools to quickly get you out of an emergency. To cut the seatbelt, make sure the belt is pulled tight. Open the cap to reveal the blade. Position the blade inside the belt and slice away from the body. To break a window, use the exterior steel ball on top of the cap or the sharper tungsten steel punch beneath the cap. Hold Auto Escape tightly in your fist and make a stabbing motion towards the corner of a side or rear window, not at the center. Auto Escape gives you peace of mind knowing you're prepared when emergency strikes. Auto Escape by InGear. Always there, always prepared.
We wanted the average person to have a high quality but affordable emergency kit to ensure their personal safety in case a disaster situation arises. Through consulting with emergency service professionals, years of research, and building relationships with wholesale suppliers, we compiled all of this into a single affordable kit known as the 72. The 72 is comprised of 72 hours worth of food, water, shelter, tools, and a medical kit for 2 individuals. We started with a high-quality, durable bag that features multiple carry options and 4 easily accessible organization compartments. In compartment 1, we included 36 vacuum-sealed energy bars with a 5-year shelf life, a 2-person emergency tent, 2 thermal blankets, 2 ponchos, and 25 feet of mil-spec paracord. In compartment 2, we included a 100,000-gallon water filtration system and 12 burst-resistant water packets. In compartment 3, we included a 12-in-1 multi-tool, a SWAT T tourniquet with incorporated instructions, and medical kit covering everything from minor scrapes and blisters to life-threatening injuries. In compartment 4, we included a hand-cranked solar-powered radio that also functions as a cell phone charger and a flashlight, 2 methods of fire starting plus weatherproof tinder, and 15 feet of duct tape. And finally, on the outside of the bag, we added a glass breaker, a seatbelt cutter, and a high-quality LED flashlight that is easily accessible and ready for use.